Hi friends, welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Now, let's dive right into how to make money on YouTube, the fastest and easiest way possible. If you are lost on what I'm about to discuss, then I'll leave the links in the description right below this video, so you can catch up. Now, how can you triple your ad revenue from your YouTube ad revenue, you ask? Well, did you know you can take all your videos you uploaded to YouTube and upload them to your brand new Facebook channel? If you don't know how easy it is to do this, I'll leave a link in the description below which will show you step by step on how to set everything up. Facebook ad revenue as I record this video is paying double the ad revenue that YouTube is paying out, so if you simply upload all your videos on Facebook platform, then you'll be making triple the ad revenue between YouTube and Facebook. For example, if your YouTube channel is earning $40,000 per month, then Facebook will be making you over $80,000 per month, so now you would be raking in over $120,000 per month on both platforms. Now, just like YouTube, Facebook also has minimum requirements to meet before you can get monetized. For instance, your Facebook page needs in the last 2 months or 60 days, 15,000 post engagements or 3,000 hours of videos watched and have 1,000 followers. So, while you're building up your YouTube channel, you should be simultaneously building up your Facebook page, so when you get monetized on YouTube, you should be close to getting monetized on Facebook as well. So, there you have it. You now have the success formula, which consists of only 2 parts, and my triple your ad revenue strategy on how to make money on YouTube and Facebook. If you follow my success formula, you will be on your way to making 5- and 6-figure monthly incomes within 6 months. Now, many of you probably already know, in order for YouTube to start monetizing your channel, you'll need to get 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of videos being watched. That's why Pets with Great Personalities is the surefire winner to getting your channel monetized the fastest and easiest way I know how. The software is also critically important to making your videos highly relevant for the targeted keywords you want to rank for, so YouTube's algorithm deems your videos highly relevant because your search engine optimization title, description, and tags are spot on in YouTube's eyes and make YouTube's algorithm push your videos right up the rankings, so you appear on the first page where people see your videos or on the right-hand side of a popular pet channel so it gets seen more. My channel here isn't really all about making money. Surprise, surprise, I know. I thought I'd start a new YouTube channel and had this idea that the first few videos would be on how you could make millions using YouTube starring your own pets. It really is the easiest and fastest way I know to get your channel monetized and off making lots of money. It really is foolproof if you ask me. I really enjoy sharing a way that truly worked great for me and for others on how to make money on YouTube. With that being said, I'll see you on the next video, part 4. Please make sure to subscribe and like for more of my content. Please check my description below for all my links to get started. Anyway, take care and hope to see you again real soon. Bye for now.